Hi everyone, in today's video we are going to solve this question. But before starting the solution, like the video, and if you are new on my channel, please subscribe it. Let's begin to solve the question. The question is, let this be the set of solutions to this equation. What is the sum of all the solutions? First, we take this case, if base equal to 1. If base equal to 1, then this to the power anything will be equal to 1. So the base is x square minus 2x. If this is equal to 1, we can write this as x square minus 2x minus 1 equal to 0. And by quadratic formula, we can write x equal to 2 plus minus 4 plus 4 divided by 2. If we simplify this, we get 2 plus minus square root of 8, and this is equal to 2 square root of 2 divided by 2. By taking 2 common from the numerator, we will get 1 plus minus square root of 2. So the two roots of this equation is 1 plus square root of 2 and 1 minus square root of 2. The second case is if we take the exponent as 0. So x square plus x minus 6 equal to 0. If we take this exponent 0, then x square minus 2x to the power 0 will be equal to 1. If we factorize this, this will be equal to x plus 3 into x minus 2 equal to 0, and x equal to minus 3 or x equal to 2. But if we put x equal to 2 in this equation, we will get 0 to the power 0, and this is undefined. So the third root is x equal to minus 3. The third case is if we take base equal to minus 1, this is the base, and the exponent is even. So we will take x square minus 2x equal to minus 1. We can simplify this, and x square minus 2x plus 1 equal to 0, and this is equal to x minus 1 whole square equal to 0, and from here we get x equal to 1. So the fourth root is x equal to 1. If we add all these roots, so s equal to 1 plus square root of 2 plus 1 minus square root of 2 plus minus 3 plus 1. So plus square root of 2 minus square root of 2, 1 plus 1 plus 1, this is 3, and plus minus 3. So these are cancelled, and the sum of all the roots of this equation is 0. And this is the required answer. Like the video, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.